Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off email notification from Facebook in Gmail or any mail. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to go to Facebook. Then we need to go to setting and privacy. Now from here, we need to click setting. Now we have to scroll down and we need to find notification. So here you can see, so you have to click on it. Now we need to scroll down again and we have to find email where you receive your notification. Now we have to unselect all the thing, comment, text, reminders, more activity about you, everything till page you message. So you have to unselect everything. So after unselecting it, the email will not go to our Gmail or any email. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.